This popped in the other day. It needed a new mains lead, but initially I thought it was just a bog standard power supply that gave out 100 volts that somebody was using for powering a Japanese amplifier and a big old Sansui. But it's actually an automatic Variac, and as I'd never seen one before, I thought I'd make this little video showing you what was inside it and how it was working. So looking inside it, we've got you can see the big transformer, which is on the big copper circular thing on the right. We've got an electric motor here with some little gearing on it that there's the board over there that monitors the voltage. So looking at the other side of it, this is the wiper that spins around the side of the transformer. So that if that was like a normal Variac or auto transformer, that would be connected up to the big controller on the top that you turn around to set the voltage. The PCB here is what appears to be monitoring the actual output voltage and controlling the motor to move the wiper. So when you turn the motor with your finger, you can see the wiper on the transformer actually moves. And it's actually surprisingly accurate. I've put a voltmeter on it and you can sort of see it adjusting itself. So switching it on, you can see the 100 volt output and the wiper turning and the motor. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm in Gloucestershire, and if you need something repaired, please contact me either through YouTube or my website at orangevalleysystems.com. Thank you.